Steel, carbon, and pure excess. Mansory does not just modify supercars, it tears them apart, rebuilds them with wild body kits, insane power, and luxury details that feel almost unreal. Some people call these cars beautiful, others call them too much. But one thing is certain, when Mansory touches a supercar, it becomes impossible to ignore. Here are 5 of the craziest Mansory creations ever built, and each one feels like speed, wealth, and shock value turned all the way up. Number 5 is the Ferrari Stallone. This is Mansory's version of the Ferrari 812, and it turns an already aggressive V12 machine into something far louder and sharper. The naturally aspirated engine is pushed to 830 horsepower with 740 Newton meters of torque. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds and a top speed of 345 kilometers per hour. But the real drama is in the design. Massive carbon fiber parts, a sharper front end, deeper side skirts, and a huge rear wing make the Stallone look like a road car built with race car anger. Mansory also gives it forged wheels and a lower, meaner stance. It still keeps Ferrari luxury, but now it feels dressed for war. Number 4 is Le Mansory, based on the Ford GT. Built for Mansory's 30th anniversary, this project is loud, rare, and full of attitude. Mansory widened the car by 5 centimeters, replaced body parts with exposed carbon fiber, and even changed the headlights into a custom horizontal design. The 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 now makes around 700 horsepower and 840 Newton meters of torque. Top speed climbs to about 354 kilometers per hour. Only 3 were made, which instantly made it a collector's dream. What makes Le Mansory so crazy is that it takes a car already designed to look futuristic, then pushes it even further into pure concept car territory. From the sharp body lines to the dramatic rear section, everything about it screams attention. Number 3 is the Lamborghini Venatus Coupe Evo C. This one is wild because Mansory did not just change the styling, it changed the body structure itself. The normal 4-door Urus was turned into a 2-door coupe by moving the B-pillar back and creating longer front doors. That is a serious transformation, not a simple kit. Then Mansory boosted the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 to 900 horsepower or in 1,100 Newton meters of torque. It can hit 100 kilometers per hour in 2.9 seconds and reach 323 kilometers per hour. Inside, it gets individual rear seats, luxury trim, and even a starry sky roof. Only 8 units were planned, which makes this SUV one of the boldest Mansory builds ever. It feels like a mix of supercar speed, private jet style, and SUV muscle in one machine. Number 2 is the Bugatti Chiron Centuria. Modifying a Chiron already sounds risky because the base car is already one of the most extreme hypercars in the world. Mansory still went ahead and gave it a full carbon-heavy redesign with a new aero package, revised skirts, a fresh diffuser, and a more dramatic rear wing. The result looks even more aggressive than the original, which is hard to do on a Bugatti. Reports placed its value around $4.7 million. This build is less about chasing a huge extra power number and more about visual impact. It is for the kind of owner who thinks a normal Chiron still does not get enough attention. The Centuria proves that for Mansory, even a hypercar icon can still become louder, sharper, and more extreme. Number 1 is the Lamborghini Carbonado GT. This is peak Mansory madness. Based on the Aventador, the Carbonado GT gets a twin-turbocharged 6.5-liter V12, making a shocking 1,600 horsepower and an electronically limited 1,200 Newton meters of torque. Mansory claimed 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.1 seconds and a top speed above 370 kilometers per hour. The body is made with stealth-look carbon fiber, and the car is widened to look even more brutal. New intakes, a more extreme rear end, and its fighter jet-style roof start button pushed the drama even further. This build perfectly explains Mansory. Extreme design, crazy engineering, and zero interest in being subtle. These 5 cars show exactly why Mansory stands out. It mixes luxury with shock value, rare design with serious speed, and turns already famous supercars into rolling statements. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. More wild builds, rare machines, and insane modifications are coming soon.